Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily rent a Lime scooter on the Uber app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm over at a help document at Uber of how do I rent a Lime vehicle. So the first thing we need to do is to locate a scooter or bike. So go to the Uber app, select services, make sure you're logged in, select two wheels. From the map, tap on any scooter or bike icon to see the walking distance from your current location. Now, once you've located a Lime vehicle, unlock it by scanning the QR code or entering the plate number. Now, if you encounter difficulty scanning the QR code, turn on your flashlight while scanning. Also, if the app prompts an error code or under maintenance, message that vehicle is likely in use or the Lime team is on their way to retrieve it, so please try a nearby vehicle. Now, to get started, so you want to go ahead and place one foot firmly on the baseboard and use your other foot to push off against the ground a few times. Once you've gained some speed, press on the throttle near your right thumb to accelerate. Now, you want to go ahead and familiarize yourself with the throttle and squeeze the handbrake to slow down when needed.